What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video and daily updates on Bitcoin. I hope you're all doing great, hope you all had some sleep after the extremely volatile days we had for Bitcoin. Bullish in the end, so hopefully it was good to you. But yeah, in this video, just wanted to go over Bitcoin, wanted to give you my full opinion on what's going on, what's about to happen next. And what you can expect and kind of what to look out for, because there are certain things still happening this week and especially also next week that are going to be very important. So that's what we'll talk about. Before we get into it though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links in either the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find out more on how to join that. And you can also just join the Discord and the Telegram server. Why not? There's a lot of activity. So to talk about Bitcoin first technically, you can see that yesterday we technically hit 26,000. Technically that was our resistance, and from there we dropped down. 26,000 is a minor resistance level, but we also had to 1.618 there, which I think is one of the most underrated indicators out there, or most underrated Fibonacci level perhaps. It's very strong, especially in crypto. And from that level we drop down, and right now purely technically we are back in the same formation and same structure as we were at the 19th and the 21st of February, this kind of area. Because what's happening is that we've broken down below 25,250, which was our main resistance, and it also is right now, but we still have this kind of level, and I should actually drag this down a little bit. But we still have this level right here around 24,500 as a support, which means we're stuck between 25,250 and 24,500. And the big question is are we going to get a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout? And I think the most important thing where that depends on, excuse me, I'm just going to turn my monitor a little bit. The most important thing that depends on, I think, is the economic circumstances in the US. We all know how much that changes the market. I mean, yesterday after the inflation rate, we rallied from 24,500 all the way to a top of 26,500, levels we haven't hit since June last year. Right now it seems like we're still bullish, all right? So a bullish breakout, so something like this, and to get up to 26,000 again seems most likely, because there's a lot of bullish momentum in the markets. And the dollar strength index, even though it's going up a little bit right now, has certainly turned bearish again, at least on the short term. But also kind of if you take a look at the dollar strength index on the long term, we're bearish. Medium term we're still bullish, but short term we're bearish again. As you can see, I would still consider this as bearish, but on the medium term you can see that we did start some sort of a, well, I guess you could call it a bearish flag, but it was supported by fundamentals. So what's going to happen with Bitcoin depends on all of the economic events this week, because they will determine the outcome of the interest rate decision next week, which is exactly next week, Wednesday, March the 22nd. So for example, today we'll have the retail sales, tomorrow we'll have the jobless claims. If jobless claims are higher than expected, if retail sales are lower than expected, that points towards less inflation, which would give us a positive outcome of the interest rate decision next week. So I will keep you updated on this, because it's well, perhaps a little bit much to follow all on your own, but for now I think we'll actually stabilize a little bit between 25,250 and 24,500, where if we get a breakout, it's more likely that it will be a bullish breakout, I'd say, given all of the circumstances. But yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin for today. So if you do have any questions, if you want to discuss anything, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.